Hey folks, it's Heidi Johnson, MarineMax Sailandski, 183 North location. Today we're going to look at the 2019 GS20, Super Air Nautique GS20. And I'd like to point out, when you look at this boat on the deck, it's got a colored upper stripe, a colored lower deck stripe, and as you move into the hull, it's got a colored same gray accent stripe, gray main stripe, and a gray hull bottom. A lot of times you might see this white or a different color, but that's how this boat was able to get all one colors, by upgrading or changing each color to the same color, each location to the same color. Another thing you'll notice is the large mirror, nice tower, standard board racks. As we start to head towards the back of the boat, we notice that we also have the upgraded color in the swim platform. You got the NSS with black covers. This middle tab is the one that comes out on the NSS. As we enter the boat, you'll notice that what was chosen for the interior deck color was the standard white. And as you find your way walking in on this boat or being aboarded, you don't have to touch any vinyl with your feet or anything. You can walk completely around this boat and never step on any vinyl if you don't want to. Even when you step in, you can step down onto the sea deck because they chose gray in this boat. And you can also notice that since the GS model is also known for slalom skiing, you also have the opportunity to, at ski speeds, pull a slalom skier with no effort at all. You'll notice lots of space inside the boat, even though it's a 20-footer. Nice Bimini, good coverage. This boat has the awareness camera. It's got the 8.8 JL speakers with the overhead LED lights molded in. You'll notice that this boat has the link Panorama display. Nice seating. One thing to point out on this boat is you got a lot of new flavors in interior colors. So the contrast coming inside the boat and the ability for us to color a lot of these interiors now has really been something that we're excited about. So you need to see some of our colors. You got a nice oversized mirror, which is a real benefit. Easy to use and gives you a lot of a large viewfinder for your rider behind you and for general safety. You'll notice that the boat has a very nice seat when it comes to ergonomics. It's probably one of the nicest and ergonomically designed seats that you'll find on boats these days. The dashboard is very ergonomically designed, very low key, not a lot going on here, but you can do a lot of different things with it. The helm is ergonomically set up to use your selector knob versus your screen. Touch screen, selector knob, you can accomplish everything you want either here or there. So if you look at the bow, the bow's got a lot of space as well. Some people will say these boats are square, but they have very deep modified holes and cut the water really well. You'd be surprised. So when you get an opportunity, come check out the 2019 Super Air Nautique GS20. It's a great boat, great family boat. Thanks for joining us today. If you have any questions about this boat or any other models, please call me or our other staff members, or come see us at our locations, Austin, Lakeway, San Antonio. We'll see you on the water.